Let's dive into division. 238 divided by 2. Hey math explorers, it's your favorite teacher here, ready to make long division super fun. If you're enjoying this, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an adventure. Alright, let's start this division adventure. We're bringing down the first digit, which is 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2, perfect. Now we subtract. 2 minus 2 leaves us with 0. Great job, you're doing awesome. We've got a remainder of 0, and we're ready to bring down the next digit. Time for the next digit, we bring down the 3. We have 3, and we need to see how many times 2 fits into it. 2 goes into 3 1 time, you got this. Let's multiply. 1 times 2 equals 2. Subtracting 2 from 3 leaves us with 1, nicely done. You're crushing it, just one more step. We have a remainder of 1, and we're ready to bring down our last digit. Last one, let's bring down the 8 next to the 1. Now we have the number 18. How many times does 2 go into 18? Think of your 2 times tables. 2 times 9 is 18. Let's check. 9 times 2 is indeed 18. Subtract 18 from 18 and we get 0. Woohoo! You nailed it, we have no remainder left. We've used all the digits, and our final answer is 119. So we divided 238 by 2, and guess what? We got 119. We did it! We tackled 238 divided by 2 step by step. Remember, every division problem is just a puzzle waiting to be solved. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. That's all for today, super students. Keep that curiosity buzzing and check out more awesome math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.